Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rename a hyperlink in the Google Docs. So here I've already opened the Google Docs on my computer, and let's show you first how you can insert link or make a hyperlink. So you can just select the sentence or the part you want to add the link. For example, I'm going to add it in here. You can right click on it and choose to insert link, and here make sure that you already copied the link before, or you can also search for a specific document if you want to add a link to your own document. So I already pasted it, so I've already copied it, so I'm going to paste it in here. Click on apply. So when I click on this, it will head into my YouTube video, for example. And if you want to change the names in here, the hyperlink name, you can just click on it, and there will be this pencil icon to edit the link, and you'll see the name. So for example, you can just change it. I'm going to change it into my name in here, and then you can click on apply. And that's it, the hyperlink name will be changed. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.